Yeah, we are live. Focus Body Coding Live. Yeah, you follow every day. Remember, you see, we do, no excuses. And today, another combo. Yes, another combo. Cross complicado 1 and top 2. Are you ready? First, watch for yourself. Then we do it together. Let's go. Yes, now let's do it together. Are you excited? Let's go, no excuses. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We open to the side, we cross with the right, step on the left, step with the right, tap, step with the left, and tap. The same with the right. Open to the side, cross, step in place, and then step, tap, step, tap. Once again, let's go with the left. Open, cross, step in place, step, tap, step, tap. Yeah. With the right, open to the side, open, cross, step, step, touch, step, touch. Yeah. Now with the count. And with the left, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking good. Once again, with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking good. Yes, looking good. But right now, I want to see you face to face. Let's do another practice. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Yeah. But not doing your makeup, of course. Practicing. Yeah. Let's go. Starting with the left again. You ready? Let's go. We open, we cross, we step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Tap with the right. We open, we cross, we step, step, tap, step, tap. Once again with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. The right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add some twists. Are you ready? Let's change the heights. Okay? Let's play with the height. Let's go. We start high. 1, 2, 3. Down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Go up again. 1, 2, 3. Go down. 5, 6, 7, 8. When we go down, we can add the shoulders a little bit. Yeah. Let's try. We are up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah! This was the bonus of today. Yeah! These are the moves of the day, the combo of the day. And you're probably wondering where you can practice it again and again and again, because you might know that repetition is the mother of skill. So how do you do that? You can check the links above, below, to the sides. Or if you're on Instagram, you can check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for these moves. Cross complicado 1 or cross C1 and tap 2. Yes, these are the moves that we practice today. And by the way, these are universal moves. What do you mean by that, Marcus? Universal moves means that you can do them in any kind of dance that you want. Yes, I'm serious. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, Samba, Semba. Samba and Semba are not the same, by the way. Yeah. And by the way, salsa on 1 and on 2. Yeah, because you can do them with the right and with the left. Amazing or not amazing? Well, either way, remember, practice isn't the thing you do once you're good. It is the thing you do that makes you good. That's why practice today to become better. But I have another reason for you to practice today. Because tomorrow you have a new footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. Yeah. So, I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow as well. See you tomorrow then.